The Zwilling 6-inch Pro Chef's Knife weighs in at 9 ounces and measures 11.5 inches end to end. This knife features a 6-inch blade made from a single piece of high-carbon steel. The spine of the blade measures 1/4 inch at its thickest point. The extra wide blade will help you avoid hitting your knuckles on the cutting board while chopping and slicing. The knife has a full tang, a curved bolster, and a 3-rivet resin handle. The handle measures 5 inches in length. I especially like the blade shape on this knife. It's got a vibe. The steel measures 57 on the Rockwell hardness scale, and the cutting edge is sharpened to a 15-degree angle. One thing I think would improve the comfort of this knife is a rounded spine and choil, but I'm sure those improvements would add to the cost of this knife. I would also like to see the handle in different colors.